Good morning everyone. Today in this video lecture I would be talking about basics of search engine marketing. I'm Dr. Smita Bushal and we provide you free video tutorials on digital marketing. Let's see what is search engine marketing. As the name suggests, it's a marketing activity which is done on search engines. Search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing. So let's start with the fundamental of what is search engine. What is a Yahoo? What is a Google? It is a platform, it is a service that allows you as an internet user to search for content. And where do you search this content? You search it on a world wide web. See, search engine have specific algorithm and specific programs which runs, and when a user type in a sentence or a phrase in the search bar, these programs which are known as web crawlers or Google boots, they actually what they do, they find out various pages across the world wide web which has these kind of keywords, and they crawl those pages, they index and rank them and show the result on a search engine result page, which is SERP. Now, the common search engine I was talking about is Google, Bing, Yahoo, Ask.com, AmericanOnline.com, Baidu, Wolfram Alpha, DuckDuckGo. These are the various kind of search engine platforms which have been given to internet users to find contents across the world. What are the basic kinds of searches which usually a user does on the search engine? So, the searches can be categorized into three kind of searches: navigational, informational and transactional. Navigational, where you know the domain name, where you know the URL, you type it like www.asdc.co.in and they give you the web page and you surf the website, check out the information on that website, and whatever is required, you store it, you write it, you learn from that website, and your work is done. Next is informational search, where you do not know which site to go and which site to log in and find out the information. So what you do, you type in a keyword or a phrase like digital marketing training classes in Noida, in Greater Noida, in Dehradun, in Lucknow. So you just type in this keyword and you get certain pages which are indexed and given to you on the SERP page by the search engine. So there might be various kind of websites which have been ranked according to Google ranking and quality ranks they have received from Google. So, and they are highlighted or they are showed up on the SERP page. Now user clicks on any of the page, any of the link, and goes to the website and take whatever information is required. Transactional search, where you try to buy online. So if I have to buy an online cake, I'll type online cake, or I will type online purchase of shoes. Now you directly are sent by the search engine to maybe Jabong card or Mitra card or a site which is e-commerce site. So that is a transactional search. Then, as I said, this search engine, when used for marketing purpose, is known as search engine marketing. So it can be defined as a term to describe the various means of marketing a website via search engine, which includes both paid and non-paid form. Paid form is basically, now SEM is said to be as paid form. So there is a paid form of search engine, and organic search, which is an unpaid natural ranking search, which is used to rank page according to their quality rank, and the web designers or digital marketers use various SEO tools and practices to bring their website on the SERP page. Paid Paid search is something where you pay to the website, pay to the search engine to show your website on the SERP page. Okay, so when somebody types in digital marketing classes in Greater Noida, and if I run a PPC campaign and my quality ranks are justified and my bidding strategy is appropriate, Google will show my ad on the SERP page. Now I will pay Google only when somebody clicks on my ad and goes to my landing page if the bid has been on clicks. So SERP will display the ads that we create to direct viewers to the site, and the fee we pay is usually based on either click or views or conversions. You can also go to our other videos where we have talked about bidding strategies in SEM, where I have spoken about what is click, what is conversion, and what is CPM bid. 70%, this is one major thing which has come up, that 70% of people click on the organic search result, while only 30% are likely to click on the paid links. So it actually makes sense that even if you pay, the likelihood of your users clicking on your ad is lesser than if you are there on the searching ranking, if you are on the first rank or second rank of your natural ranking on Google. So it's better if your SEO is intact, and then you use the PPC thing to get better ROI. How to use paid search? See, I'll talk about in this video, since it's a small video where I have talked about only the basics of search engine marketing. I will tell you how you can use the PPC bidding, or you can use Google AdWords, or you can use this search engine marketing techniques to create an ad. So this is not a video to make you understand how Google AdWord works, because that I will be taking in other videos, and you can subscribe to my channel to keep getting the updates. But here I will talk about how should you actually, what are the strategies you should take care while you are going for a search engine marketing paid kind of advertisement for your website. Define an effective strategy. So your goal should be clear. Do you want clicks? Do you want conversion? Do you want views? Do you want reach? So what kind of effective strategy you require depends on what is your goal, what is your short-term objective of the ad which you would try to run on a Google AdWords. Then you have to choose right keywords. I'll be talking in my next video about Google keyword planners and other tools in which you can check out what are the ways in which we can find out which keyword is suitable for our website, what are the types of keywords. So you need to understand what kind of keywords to choose so that your ads are shown up on the SERP page. Optimizing your website content is very, very important. See, even if you run an ad and your website is not optimally written, it is not SEO friendly, the contents are not unique and fresh and not user friendly, your ad would not be shown. So definitely your SEO tools and techniques which you use in your website defines the next level of using the PPC ad. So you need to optimize your website content in terms of meta keywords, meta description, your title, your headlines, your sitemaps, and your backlinks. So you have to optimize your website content. Then once done, you submit your website for indexing, because if Google or other search engine do not index your pages, then definitely that means that you will not come into the search results, and neither your ads will be shown. So what you can do, you can submit your website at domz.org, and also you can check through various SEO audit tools that whether your pages are being indexed by Google. You can also link your Google Search Console, your account to Google Search Console, to understand how many pages are being indexed. At quality links to your website. This is a process which will take time. It cannot be done in a day or a week. It would take time, but definitely don't stop doing it even if your PPC ads are running. Manage paid search advertise. Then once you have started running your PPC ad, you have started creating your campaigns and your ad groups, and your ads are running on the Google search ranking, on display network or search network. I will be talking about display network and search network in our upcoming videos. So once the ads are running, you have to understand that what is the ROI they are giving to you. So you have to understand how many clicks and how many conversion they are creating. What is the kind of bidding strategy you have you have put into the ad, and what is the kind of clicks and conversion they are giving. So it all depends that how you are able to analyze. So definitely your website has to be linked with the Google Analytics too, and Google Tag Manager will also help you to do so. So then you can measure your success of your advertisement which you run on a search engine marketing platform, basically Google AdWords. Now, as I was talking, I will very quickly tell you what is the bidding process. Bidding process will be how do you place your ads in the auction by Google. You first have to choose whether you want clicks, whether you want impressions, whether you want conversion. So clicks, whether you want somebody to click and land to your website, whether you want just the ad to be seen by number of people in an area, or whether you want the sales should take place. So AdWord runs an auction to determine the ads that show on the search result page, and they rank on the page, and accordingly ads are displayed. This was all about basics of search engine marketing. Keep subscribe with us to get more information on the various kind of networks and how Google PPC ad works. So thank you very much. Now the common search engine I was talking about is Google, Bing, Yahoo, Ask.com, AmericanOnline.com, Baidu,